How to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. To transfer your Bitcoin from your Cash App, first and foremost, you need to launch your Cash App application. Ensure that you are logged in into your Cash App account. Now, once you are logged in your Cash App, you need to tap on the USD icon. So go ahead and select on the icon. You can also tap on the home icon, which will be in your left hand corner. Then you'll be redirected to a new page. Now in here, select the option of Bitcoin. This is the layout of an updated Cash App. Now in here, you'll see the option of buy, sell, and an airplane icon. Select on the airplane icon. Now you need to tap on Send Bitcoin. This is to transfer the Bitcoin. Now you need to add the details to whom you want to transfer. For that, you need to enter the amount, the receiver, then select Pay. You also have to confirm before the final transfer. So check for all the details. Then tap on Confirm and Send. Cash App will notify you that you have successfully transferred your Bitcoin. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.